All right, today we're working on a 2003-2004 Chrysler Crossfire door lock. Basically, customer sent us the door lock. They changed the ignition. So here's the key for the door. What they want us to do is take this key, make it work this lock. This is the key that they sent us. They said this is the new key for the ignition. So right now, this doesn't work, the door lock. So what we're going to do is take apart the door lock, recombinate it, put new wafers in there, and make sure it matches this key so it can turn, but not yet. And that's about it. So we're starting to do more and more of these. People are starting to change their locks. I think the dealer is no longer supporting or ordering the locks. And that's what's happening. So I'll come back in a little bit. All right, another job completed, and the customer be happy shortly as soon as we ship this back. Key now matching the door lock. Nice and smooth like it should. So this customer is no longer going to have a problem. The same key that starts the ignition now is going to turn the door locks. So if y'all having problems like that where you have changed your ignition and you're getting tired of using a separate key for the door lock, give me a call. I'll tell you how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. And that's about it. Or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. I do have the parts for recoding and rekeying these locks. So, and that's about it. Thank you.